Welcome to the MyGuru tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be focusing on how to use the forum in MyGuru. Forum is a threaded discussion for carrying on conversations among students and lecturer on a specific subject. After successful login to MyGuru, choose a course. In this example, I choose this biology course. In the biology course dashboard, look on the left menu and click the forum menu. There are three sections in the forum list, forum group monitoring, and forum course monitoring. The forum list will display the list of forums assigned by the lecturer to the students. If it is labeled closed, then the forum is over. If the forum title is labeled upcoming, it means that the forum not yet starting. If there is no label, then it means the forum is active. Choose an active topic, and it will show you the details of the topic. Type in your response in the designated text area, and then click Send after you have finished. You may also reply to your friend's response. You may also check out the course forum created by the course coordinator. To monitor your progress in the forum, go to the submenu, and click the forum group monitoring. The number here shows how many replies you made on a specific forum. You can also click at the number to show the detail on each response. This forum monitoring will also be used by your lecturer to monitor your activeness and respond to each topic. That's all for the MyGuru forum. Thank you.